In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply the formula to the whole column in Excel. So this is a pretty simple task to do, and I'm going to show you right now what you'll have to do right here. So in order to do that right here, you'll have to select the very first row of the column, and you can simply drag it down to the whole column in order to select the whole column. And right here, what you'll have to do is just tap on the equal button, and you have to insert this right here. So you'll have to type in equal parentheses C2 minus B2, closing the parentheses, and then divided by B2. So after you do that right here, instead of pressing just enter, you'll have to press Ctrl first, and then you'll have to hit enter. So as you can see right here, the value will be applied to the whole column and to the every row just by inserting that specific command. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.